The engineering technology program was created out of a need for highly trained technicians in the manufacturing industry. Local employers have many positions that they need to fill, and they require a high level of education because of the skilled nature of their jobs. Several years ago, the program was redesigned to focus on specializations in either mechanical engineering technology or electronics engineering technology. This is important for local employers because they typically need one or the other. These specializations allow our students to become highly focused on the skills that are needed by local industry. Engineering technology differs from traditional engineering programs because we don't focus as much on theory and math. The program focuses on skills such as computer design and manufacturing, electronics design and assembly, robotics, fluid mechanics, as well as lots of fabrication techniques. After graduation, our students are able to work alongside engineers to do all the hands-on work required to develop products. The program currently operates in 15,000 square feet of space, which gives us all of the industry tools needed for the students to work with the same technologies seen in local industry. Our industry partners are very interested in being involved with the program because they have a vested interest in our graduates. They offer industry tours, job shadowing opportunities, as well as things like mentoring and internships. The internship gives students a real-world perspective on the field that they're going into. Most of our internships end up turning into full-time positions after graduation, so we find that it's a really great way for employers to get familiar with our students before they're hired as a full-time employee.